Hi guys, so here is the Concorde, the first one, and as you can see it's all sanded down, and everything is stripped off from it. The model looks very nice and clean. I didn't sand it off or scuff the engine nacelles, the gray part, because it's a very nice gunmetal gray, and it's done very well, and I wanted to keep some originality on the model, so I left those there. But other than that, the model is pretty much sanded, and here you can see the underside of it. The strakes are sanded, the nose is sanded, plus I actually used CA glue, this guy right here, and use this as a gap filler because it's a very good glue to fill the gaps. And I took my time and poured it in stages, and all I have to do is sand it and smooth it, and then put some Bondo on it and fill it up, and make it nice and smooth, and that's how the nose is getting fixed. So I'm going to show you all the sanding that I did. All the joints, all the crevices, right at the bottom there of the flap track fairing, all that is all sanded. There were a couple of cracks that were sanded down, and I'm just gonna fill them up. I'm going to use CA glue there, the same thing that I use on the nose, and fill up these cracks. There are two of them in the gel coat. It's not in the structure, but just in the gel coat. The nacelles are there. So yeah, she's coming along nicely. And my next step is to add a pin as a guide. So I'm going to use one of these nails here and use that as a guide pin to build up and make the tail cone. Just give you an overlook.